Hey, do you need a personal portable juicer blender? So these are the accessories that are included in the package. Look at the motor, it's got 6 sharp blades. It has a LED light designed to let you know when it's fully charged. And here we are. You'll know it's fully charged because you see nothing but green lights. Located right here, and it's got 2 modes. It has the blend mode and the pulse mode. It comes with a anti-slip silicone ring. It's a bottom lid. So if you want to make a cup, press it like so. And there you go. Blender. It's got the handy loop, as you can see. It's got the button buckle. And it's got a transparent cover and a cap. And the spout. Let's put it to work. Portable blender, an ideal gift for athletes, people who work out, or anyone on the go.